Okay, we've got this cut out and sanded down now, and we've cut the back piece off. So what we want to do is make sure you put it to where you got it marked, to the right side. Put this piece on here. So we'll mark the inside here. So this piece we will cut out. This is where the bottom piece is going to go. So I want to make sure I don't go too far down. So we're going to cut this off in here. This is between the nose and the base of where your head is going to be. And because this guy is going to be partially bald, we don't want to cut this off up too high. We want to make sure we leave enough space so we hide our back in there. So where our hair goes back here. And we'll take this piece off here. So this piece we're going to keep. Mark that so I don't lose my spot. This dowel, we need to cut a spot for our dowel to go into. So we'll cut this out, cut this piece off here, cut this out. Then we'll use this one as a pattern to flip it over, and we'll cut out this on the other side. So we'll get this cut out and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.